Journalist Association for Assam (JAFA) had shortlisted the nominees for JAFA Achievers Award 2022 to honor and felicitate all the journalists for their outstanding journalism. Likewise, the Chief Executive Officers of Biswanath Karbi Life, Chandrasing Rongpi, was nominated for JAFA Achievers Award 2022 for rural journalism. Here is a visual of Chandrasing Rongpi, Chief Executive Officer of Biswanath Karbi Life. He was nominated for JAFA Achievers Award 2022. But look at the allegations made by Karbi Anglong Women Justice Forum (KAWJF) over the controversy Chandrasing Rongpi had landed in 18 October 2021.
Biswanath Karbi Life along ke claim dun mate kachali dun gom inut arata ke komanim supia pan alang apur hejan alang meglang nodek.
According to the statement made by Bulet Bepi, President of Karbi Anglong Women Justice Forum, she alleged that Chandrasing Rongpi in the year 2021 on 18 October was accused for allegedly taking the advantage of his portal news anchor, his very own sister, according to Karbi custom. Karbi Anglong Women Justice Forum also condemned Journalist Association for Assam for nominating Chandrasing Rongpi, CEO, Biswanath Karbi Life with JAFA Achievers Awards 2022. Says to present the prestigious award like Journalist Association for Assam Achievers Award 2022, one should be perfect in every aspect in terms of his character, personality, professionalism and lifestyle. Not only for JAFA Award, but this implies to all the prestigious awards. Karbi Anglong Women Justice Forum would never compromise with such a depraved personality.
Athe inut amunet phat award piti pot alang character, alang lifestyle, alang ke thek, alang pan kupimala ke nangja sonan ke perfect dei.
Karbi Anglong Women Justice Forum also said that the organization would consider the committee of JAFA Achievers Award 2022 to be depraved, just like the personality of Chandrasing Rongpi.
Chandrasing Rongpi amitha orlano som thotsi ala award ke pi de manda orlano pusila ke makhana ko.
News Desk report for Karbi Anglong Live.